Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard maths playing with number. In the playing with number we are learning LCM and HCF. Along with that we are learning some formula. How to find the LCM and HCF first we will see. Afterwards I will give you some formula when LCM, HCF and one number is given, one number is not given, or both the numbers are given, LCM is given, HCF is not given. In this way we can try to find the answers of the given question. So first we will see LCM. LCM means least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple. So first we will find the LCM of 16 and 24. LCM of 16 and 24. To find the LCM we require minimum 2 numbers. It may be more than 2 number also, but minimum we require 2 number. And that is also we will see the short division methods. We will see how to find the LCM and HCF. So first we are going with the LCM. So to find the LCM, first we have to find the factors of both the numbers. So here the 16 and 24, these both will be coming 2 table. They both will be coming 2 table. So 2 8s are 16 and 2 12 is 24. Again this 2 and 8, 8 and 12 is coming in 2 table. Again you have to proceed the same method. 2 4s are 8 and 2 6 are 12. Again this both will be coming 2 table. 2 2s are 2 3. Now here this 2 and 3 will not come in same table. So you can take here for the LCM with single sign. First you go with the 2 and afterwards you will go with the 3. So 2 1s are 2. 3 is not coming in 2 tables, so 3 as it is, and 3 it 1 1s are here, 3 1s are 3. So for LCM you have to solve till you will get the 1 at last. 1 at last. So 1 by 1 see in which table it is coming, and slowly you have to proceed this method and you will get the sum factor. These are the prime factors. So what is the LCM? This all you have to multiply the numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 1 2 3 4 2s, 1 2 3 4 2s and 1 3 as it is. Now multiply these all numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. And 16 3s are 48. So 48 is the LCM of 16 and 24. Once again I am explaining. First we have to write here 16 and 24. Afterwards this division signs. 16 and 24 both will come in 2 table. So 2 8 is 16. 2 12 is 24. Again 8 and 12 will come in a 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 is 12. Again this 4 and 6 will come in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. And this 2 and 3 will not come in same table, so you have to go with separate table. First you can go with 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 will not come. 3 as it is. Now this one as it is here. Now this 3 will become in 3 tables. So 3 1s are 3. So still you will get 1 here down. You have to continue this method. After you getting here 1 and 1, this prime numbers you have to multiply to find the LCM. So here I multiply these all the numbers. So the answer is 48. So the LCM of 16 and 24. What is the LCM of 16 and 24? That is 48. Now same number we will see for the HCF. 16 and 24 we are finding the HCF. Again this both number will become in 2 table. 2 8 jump 2 12. Again this 8 and 12 will come in 2 table. 2 4s are 2 6s. Again this both will come in 2 table. 2 2s are 2 3s. To find the HCF, we have to see that this both number will go in one table. If it is not going, then you have to stop here. So up to here, these numbers are going in 2 table, these numbers are going in 2 table, these numbers are going in 2 table, but this will not go in any one table. It is going in 2 table and this is going in 3 table. That's why we cannot continue here. So what we have to do, we have to stop here, because here these both number, whatever numbers are last getting, that must be go in one table, any one table, so that both 2 and 3 will not come in any one table. That's why we stop there. So what is the HCF? For that you have to multiply these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2. That that is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8 is the HCF, highest common factor. This is LCM, least common multiple. 48 is the LCM of 16 and 24, and 8 is the HCF of 16 and 24. So in this way you can find the LCM and HCF. So now here we are using some formula to find the LCM and HCF, first number and second number. These are the first number, second number, these are the first number, second number. Now how to find? So here I am writing LCM is what? 48 and 16 and 24. What is the LCF? LCF is what? 8. Now here we are saying some formula. Now what are that formula? Formula. Now what are these formulas? If HCF multiplied by LCM, that is equal to first number multiplied by second number. Please pay attention here. Now this is first number, second number. First number, second number. Your wish, you can interchange also, no problem. But the LCM and HCF is same, that is not going to interchange. LCM became LCM and HCF became HCF. Here I said HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to first number multiplied by second number. When you multiply, here if you take these numbers, HCF we are taking 8 multiplied by 48. These are equal to this first number and second number. 16 multiplied by 24. If you check this, if you check LCM and HCF, both multiply you do with first number and second number if you multiply, so you will get the result same. So here, what is the answer? 48 multiplied by 8. 8 8 just 64, carry 6, 8 4 the 32, 32 plus 6, 38. 8 8 just 64, carry 6, 32 plus 6, 38. So this answer is what? 384. And here we will check 24 multiplied by 60. 6 4 is 24, carry 2. 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2. 4 8 3. So it means that first number multiplied by second number is equal to that number LCM multiplied by that number HCF. That number LCM multiplied by that number HCF. So that answers are what? Equal. That answers are what? Equal. So here what happens? Here what happens in exam? What they will do? They will give you any 3 out of these 4. They will give you any 3 out of these 4. HCF, LCM, first number, second number. Out of these 4, they will give any 3 and they will ask you to find one, the remaining one which is not given. Suppose HCF is not given. Suppose HCF is not given. The formula to find when HCF is not given. HCF is equal to first number multiplied by second number divided by LCM. It means this number multiplied by this number divided by this number, so you will get this number, HCF. So you can check here. You can check here. How you can check? With this numbers only we are checking. That's why I kept here to find out. HCF is not given, for example. First number we have 16. Multiplied by second number we have 24. And LCM we have 48. Now you have to be multiplying this, you have to be divided. So how you have to do? 24 ones are 24 twos are. 24 ones are 24 twos are. 2 ones are 2 eights are. So what is the answer? 8. So the HCF is what? 8. Already we find it. These numbers only we are taking and we are solving one by one. So when HCF is not given, first number, second number given and LCM is given. So you have to multiply with first number to second number. Whatever the answer will become, that number you have to divide by the LCM. So when you divide, you will get the HCF. So this is the formula when HCF is not given. So when HCF is not given, what is the formula? First number multiplied by second number divided by LCM. So you will get the HCF when you solve it. Now next we will go to the next formula. We will go for the next formula. Now LCM is not given. First number, second number and HCF is given. So LCM is not given. So first number multiplied by second number divided by HCF. What is the first number? 16 multiplied by 24, and what is the HCF? 8. Here we taken HCF 8. First number, second number. Now we are finding the LCM. When the LCM is not given, first number, second number and HCF is given, this is a formula. Now 8 1s are 8 2s are. Now 2 multiplied by 24, 48. So the LCM is 48. We are taking these numbers only to find, so you can understand how the numbers are coming. So that's why not change any number, these numbers only we are taking. So when LCM is not given, so they will give the remaining 3. So this remaining 3 is given. So first number multiplied by second number divided by LCM. When you solve this problem, you will get the LCM. Okay. Now suppose they not given first number and they given LCM, HCF and the second number. First number not given, so here you have to write the first number is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF divided by second number. What is the LCM? LCM is 48. HCF is what? 8 divided by second number 24. Now what we are finding? First number. So 24 1s are 24 2s are. 2 multiplied by 8 16. So what is the first number? 16. The first number is 16. When first number is not given, they given LCM, they given HCF and they given second number. So this is a formula. You have to multiply LCM to HCF. After multiplying that, whatever the answer is coming with second number, you have to divide, so you will get the first number. Now what happened? They will not give the second number. When they are not given a second number, so this, what the formula now? Second number is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF divided by the first number. Now they are not given a second number, the 3 remaining they give. Now what was the LCM? The LCM was what? 6. The LCM is 18. Multiplied by HCF is 8. And the first number is 16. Now what to do? 16 1 just 16 3s are. 3 multiplied by 8 24. The second number was 24. We get? So we learn how to find the LCM and how to find the HCF. After finding that, sometimes what they will do, they will give the LCM, they will give the HCF. Out of 2 numbers, they will give 1 number. 1 number they will not give. So this formula will help us to find the what? To find the ungiven or unknown number that we are finding. So this was that formula. So once again, I am writing here all the formula for you. When the first formula I am writing, when HCF is not given, HCF is equal to first number multiplied by second number divided by LCM. When LCM is not given, you are finding LCM is equal to first number multiplied by second number divided by HCF. When first number is not given, then LCM multiplied by HCF divided by second number. And when second number is not given, LCM multiplied by HCF divided by first number. So these are 4 formulas to find out. When HCF is not given, this they will give, solve it. LCM is not given, they will give this. You have to solve and automatically we get. First number is not given, so they will give this one. This one you have to solve, you will get the first number. When second number is not given, this they will give. This number you have to solve, this we will get. So dear, today we learn how to find the LCM and how to find the HCF. After finding that, we seen some 4 formulas. We seen these 4 formulas. Please practice this formula at home and also find the questions which are given in textbook, NCERT textbook, 3.6 exercise and 3.7 exercise. Solve this at home. We will see some other questions in our next page. Thank you.